So today I'm going to be making some slime for you. I'm Lamaya, I'm 9 years old, and I've been making slime for at least 3 years. First off, we have my second most recent slime. It's my green fluffy slime. All of my slimes are pretty fluffy. This is my pretty purple slime, and I love it because it's really squishy and fluffy. And this is my stickiest slime. We just made it, and it's sticky, but it's pretty fun to poke and play with too. And we're gonna be making a new slime we're gonna be making a pink slime, and it's gonna be fluffy, and I'm gonna show you everything you need and how to make it. So let's do this. So first thing you're gonna need is a bottle of glue, and you're gonna open it up, and you're gonna put in about just enough to cover the bottom. Like about that. Then you're gonna take some shaving cream and you're gonna put some inside. If you want it to be really fluffy, put in a lot of shaving cream, but you want to be careful because you don't want to overpower all the glue. If you feel like there's too much shaving cream, add in some more glue. Do whatever you can until it feels right. You're gonna mix that together, and it's gonna look just like a creamy little topping on a pretty pumpkin pie. Then you're gonna take your baking soda and you're gonna put in a little sprinkle of it, and then you're gonna mix it in. This hardens, gets it to the consistency so that it's ready for when you put in your contact solution. So we're gonna add in a little bit more and mix. And then now we're gonna add in our food coloring. You can use food coloring, art dye, whatever you can find, but I suggest food dye because it mixes in really well. You're gonna put in a little drizzle because you don't want it to be too dark, even though these are neon colors, but you never know. Now we're gonna mix. And it looks so pretty, just like cotton candy. I love it. We're gonna put in a little bit more so that it's not too light. And mix. So you gotta make sure you add in some baking soda before and after you put in your food dye, because it gives it the perfect consistency. It's gonna take a little while to get all of that food dye mixed in, but you gotta be patient. Here we are. This is a great consistency for your slime and how it should look. Now you're gonna take your contact solution and you're gonna open it up, and you're gonna slowly keep adding it in as you're stirring. And you're gonna slowly feel and see how it's starting to clump together and start forming into slime. That's why most people like to call it activator, because it activates the slime and turns it on. See, you can see it forming right now. It's starting to get all chunky and stuff on the spoon, and it's starting to clump together and become slime. Now, after you've put in a bunch of activator, you're gonna have to go in with your hands. So if you don't really like the feeling of like sticky things, you can put some gloves on too, because then you're gonna need it until it's not sticky anymore, and it's at a good consistency and like texture. And and a little tip, if you don't want it to be too sticky when you're kneading it, you can just coat your hands in a little bit of baking soda, and it stops it from getting all over your hands. So we're gonna keep adding in our contact solution. And it's getting thicker and thicker and thicker. It's starting to get really thick and heavy, so it's getting kind of hard to stir. But it's worth it because I love slime. So we're gonna keep mixing and mixing and adding and adding. And it's gonna look great. Eventually, you're gonna see it starting to unstick to the sides of the bowl, and that means it's almost ready to start kneading. So you're gonna add in a little bit more contact solution just to be careful, and start trying to mix that in. If it feels really tough and hard, you can get a break and put on some baking soda. Not too much, and rub it all over your hands so that it doesn't get all sticky on you. And even if it still feels a little sticky when you're mixing, you can just add more contact solution and that'll thicken it up and make it less sticky. But fluffy slime will be pretty sticky considering all the ingredients you put into it and stuff, so don't be surprised if it's really sticky. So we're gonna add in a little bit more since I can already feel it starting to stick to my fingers. And you're just gonna squish that all in there. And it's really easy, really fast, and really fun. And that, my friends, is how you make the perfect fluffy pink slime. Bye!